Are you afraid of being left in the dark when it matters most? I will never take light for granted after learning these forgotten survival secrets. If you want to uncover more hidden skills that could save you, make sure to subscribe, like, and share, so you never miss a trick from the past. In our modern world, we take light for granted. A switch, a battery, instant illumination. But survival in the past demanded a different approach. Soldiers couldn't risk a bright fire. Even a flicker could mean disaster. Their skills were shaped by the need to remain unseen, to solve problems without creating new dangers. These forgotten techniques are whispers from history, resourceful, subtle, and born of necessity. To understand them, imagine a world where every light could betray you. The old ways teach us to look closer, to find solutions in the mundane. They remind us that the most effective answer isn't always the most obvious. Rediscovering these skills connects us to a deeper understanding of survival. The earth, the objects in our pockets, everything holds potential. This is the true legacy of forgotten skills, quiet confidence and profound connection to the world. For soldiers, darkness was both shield and threat. A single light could reveal their position to the enemy, sometimes fatally. Even a match or a cigarette could be seen from far away. Light discipline became a matter of life and death. Soldiers learned to shield every spark, to use light only when absolutely necessary. The darkness brought anxiety, but light brought fear. The ideal was a glow just bright enough to see by, invisible from a distance. This need for stealth drove the invention of ingenious, low-visibility lighting methods. The rule was simple: light attracts danger. Forgetting that rule could be fatal. In war, a faint glow wasn't just clever, it was survival. That's why these subtle techniques mattered so much. The secret to safe, stealthy light: a simple chemical reaction. Rust, iron oxide, and vinegar, acetic acid, combine to release gentle heat. Vinegar dissolves rust, breaking bonds and releasing energy. No flames, no sparks, just warmth. This is the same principle behind modern hand warmers. The reaction is slow, silent, and self-sustaining for hours. Soldiers could scrape rust from old gear and use vinegar carried for food or cleaning. The process turned battlefield debris into a valuable resource. The heat was subtle, perfect for charging a glow without revealing a position. Chemistry became a tool for survival, transforming the mundane into the essential. With just rust and vinegar, soldiers created a safe, invisible source of energy. It was practical, life-saving science in action. This was ingenuity under pressure. With chemistry in hand, soldiers improvised a low-glow lamp from scraps. They used a tin can or bottle as a container, filled it with scraped rust, and added vinegar or any acidic liquid. The key was a phosphorescent strip, maybe from a watch face or treated card, suspended above the reaction. The heat from the rust and vinegar charged the strip, making it glow longer and brighter. No flame, no smoke, just a faint, steady light. A small opening in the lid directed the glow onto a map or compass. When not needed, the opening was covered, restoring darkness. This device was silent, reusable, and safe. It turned battlefield scraps into a stealthy personal lamp. The process required patience, but the result was a masterpiece of improvisation. Soldiers could operate in darkness, unseen and unheard. In the field, this was the difference between safety and exposure. The faint glow offered a crucial advantage: stealth. It was just enough to read a map or tend a wound, but invisible from a few meters away. This allowed soldiers to work without revealing their position. The chemical reaction lasted for hours, providing reliable, reusable light. When the glow faded, more acid or rust restarted the process. The device was silent and odorless, no crackle, no hiss, no scent to give away a location. In the stillness of night, silence was as vital as darkness. This lamp was the ultimate stealth tool, born from necessity. It reflected a mindset that valued safety and sustainability over power. Survival depended on not being seen or heard. With this humble device, soldiers gained a bubble of light in a dangerous world. It was empowerment without risk. Today, rust-powered lamps seem like relics, but their lessons endure. The real value is in improvisation and resourcefulness. Soldiers saw potential in debris, turning rubbish into survival tools. Modern survivalists often focus on gear, but knowledge weighs nothing. Understanding basic science lets you adapt and create solutions from scratch. Sometimes stealth is more important than brightness. The rust lamp is a model of low-impact survival, solving problems quietly. Rediscovering these skills builds resilience and curiosity. Anyone can try this. Gather rust, find acid, and charge a glow strip. It's not just a trick, it's training your mind to see hidden potential. That's the true survival skill. The rust lamp faded as technology advanced. Batteries and torches made instant light easy and reliable. Soldiers no longer needed to improvise with scraps and chemistry. Night vision and thermal imaging made old methods obsolete. The need for extreme improvisation vanished. These skills became historical footnotes, replaced by efficient tools. Yet in losing them, we lose a mindset of resilience and ingenuity. The story of the soldier's secret light reminds us. The best survival tool is the mind. Even with little, it's possible to create hope and light. Technology will keep advancing, but the wisdom of quiet survival skills endures. Sometimes the old ways still have something to teach us.